So hello friends, today we are going to learn how we can hide the sheets using the Visual Basic. You can also hide from here, just click here and then you can see we are not able to see the sheets. So for the better understanding what we can do, we can unhide this sheet also and we can name it like a sheet A1 and sheet A2. Okay, and we will if we want to unhide the these sheets what we have all we just hide that we can using the unhide we can see we can unhide these seats like seat 5 and 6 from here. But if we do very hide seat very hidden, we use very hidden option using the macro that we cannot unhide from here. So let's see how we can do that. For that we need to go into developer mode and then go to a visual basic mode. In visual basic mode you can see the seat 1, seat A1 and seat A2. And if you want to hide these sheets using the macro. So last we can see visible option. In visible option we have three options. -1 for visible, 0 for hidden just like we did in Excel sheet, and the third one is 2. That means if we click it again, then you can see it's very hidden mode. Even sheet is in very hidden mode, and if we go to the Excel sheet, then sorry, in Excel sheet you can see sheet A1 is not usually here, and if you want to unhide we cannot unhide from here as well. So this is the very hidden mode using the macros. So I hope you have understood. If you want to use the very hidden function or deep hide, then you can do this uh, feature, use this feature this like this. So thank you